This Cadillac Escalade has a dependable gas 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm x 22.9 cm, dual 7-spoke ultra bright finish aluminum with premium paint. Transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8090, STD, seats, second row bucket, power configurable, STD. These packages will make your Cadillac Escalade Premium the envy of Onlookers. Premium Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, LPO, chrome exhaust tip, LPO, cargo shade, LPO, black roof rack rails, integrated, jet black, leather seating surfaces with many perforated inserts, engine, 6.2 liters V8 with active fuel management, spark ignition direct injection, SIDI, and variable valve timing, VVT, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313.2 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 460 pounds-to-foot of torque, 621 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater, dark granite metallic, Cadillac Q information and media control system with embedded navigation AM/FM stereo, a diagonal color information display featuring touch response, haptic feedback, gesture recognition and enhanced voice recognition. 5 USB ports, including one in the articulating storage door/bin, SD card slot and auxiliary audio port, STD, assist steps, power retractable, running sideboard with LED lighting, 2015 entering processing code, wireless charging, located on the top of the center console, requires separately purchased adapter, wipers, front intermittent, rain sense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, solar absorbing. See what the experts say. As reported by KBB.com, shop here if you need your SUV to carry up to 8 passengers, all of their stuff, and tow up to 8,300 pounds. Not only can you do all that, but you'll look good while doing it. Stop by today for a must-own Cadillac Escalade. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3. Just minutes away.